I want to share the best lazy way to make money online, even if you are a beginner. It's something where $120 days are doable, even if you've never done anything like this before. If you are tired of the rat race and wanting to make more money right from home or anywhere else with minimal time and effort, stick with me till the end. This video is for you, even if you are lazy. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full-time for years. I'm not really that lazy, but the time freedom I create with my online business is terrific. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job dreaming of something better. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making more money online, and I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So, what makes this side hustle the best lazy way to make money online? Well, it's something that requires no special skills, experience, or talents. It's ideal for beginners. Literally anyone can do it. You do not need to create anything. That's all done for you. You do not need a big circle of influence. You will not be bugging your friends or neighbors. It does not take a big investment to get started. In fact, this is very low cost. You will not need a budget to spend marketing on. We use 100% free marketing. And best of all, this online business only takes minutes a day, literally. And since it's all done online, you can put that time in from wherever you want to be, whenever it's convenient for you, even if that's at 3 in the morning. I actually do this online business while I'm out sailing. You do not need to be home or sitting at a desk or tied to a schedule. As for the money you can earn, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their first day. That's right, you can make money today. And like I said, we have a proven plan for $120 days. And you can get paid passive income too. See, unlike other side hustles and work from home deals where you do the work and get paid, and then to get paid again, you have to do more work. And if you stop working, the money stops too. Well, here, you can make money that keeps coming in month after month for what you do each day without any extra effort. Imagine getting paid while you are playing with the kids, hanging out at the beach, traveling, or sleeping. Now that's the leverage of online earning. That's the lazy way to make money online. So this is a unique affiliate marketing opportunity where we use simple websites to make money. These websites promote 4 digital products. Every time you make a sale, you earn a commission, a big commission of 80%. These products range in price from $10 to $1,000. That means that you can make as much as $800 in a single sale, and that's a lot of money for a lazy guy. And remember, 3 of the 4 products pay passive or recurring income too. I cannot overemphasize the value of passive income. It's what lets you escape the rat race. It would let you keep being lazy. No more trading your time for money like in a traditional job or most other side hustles. And this online business is so simple too. All you do is follow our training and use free marketing strategies to get people to your website. The websites and the automated marketing system do the rest. That's why this is ideal for experienced and beginner marketers alike. And we get paid fast too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There is no long commission hold, no waiting for a check in the mail. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos covering everything from generating traffic and leads for free to making more sales. We hold daily live masterminds on Zoom where you can learn from hugely successful marketers. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. On top of that, I will mentor you personally. you'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. I hope this information on the lazy way to make money online resonates with you too. To learn more and to start making money today, the lazy way, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.